Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Today I'll show you how to create restaurant quality spaghetti and meatballs so you save on health and money. Most importantly, you can store already made spaghetti for boiling another time. Like the lasagna sheets we put in the freezer, they thaw very quickly and stay fresh. Ingredients are for the spaghetti 2 cups of unbleached flour, 2 organic eggs from pasture-raised chickens, a pinch of sea salt, and water if you need it. Ingredients for the meatballs are 500 grams organic bolognese mince, or you can use lean mince, 3 garlic cloves peeled, and 1 small organic onion, and organic butter. Herbs are oregano, mint, turmeric, and sea salt. And for the finish, we have organic tomato paste and fresh basil for the garnish. Then I added grated cheddar cheese because I don't like the smell of parmesan. Step 1. Boil a medium to large pot of water, filled 3/4 way. In the meantime, prepare the meatballs. In a food processor, add bolognese mince, then the garlic, then the onion, followed by the herbs. Mix for about 30 seconds. It shouldn't take long. Then roll the meatballs, placing them on a plate, then in the fridge. Step 2. Now for the spaghetti. First sift the flour into the dough mixer bowl, then add the eggs, followed by a sprinkle of sea salt. Step 3. Put the bowl onto the dough mixer with the dough hook, with the water ready to drizzle bit by bit. Step 4. When the dough is combined, sprinkle the kneading surface with flour, then with the rolling pin knead sideways as the pasta machine isn't that thick. If you're doing it by hand, it will be different, but I don't know how yet, so I'll use the pasta machine. Step 5. Put the pasta machine in the middle of the work area with the spaghetti attachment on the right, then cut your dough in half. Feed the dough through the lasagna sheet. Feed the dough through the left lasagna sheet side until you get the right thickness. Mine was on 3 to 5. Step 6. Put the handle on the spaghetti side and feed it through the hole. It should turn out like this. Add flours to it to avoid it sticking. Repeat until you have enough spaghetti or you run out of dough. Step 7. Now get a frying pan with the butter heating. Grab the meatballs. After the butter is melted, placing them one at a time, then cook them through. If you're not sure if they're raw on the inside, just cut one in half. You can leave that one off the plate or eat it to taste test since you're the chef. Just shake the pan a little bit so to make sure they're not sticky. Mine's cooked nicely. Step 8. Leave the butter in the pan, so use a pair of tongs to take them out and plate them one by one. Step 9. Because the spaghetti is freshly made, it won't take long to cook, so it will float on the surface of the water and inflate. It should only take a minute or so. Step 10. Once ready, we're going to heat it twice anyway, so grab it and on low heat add it to the frying pan with the melted butter, then add the sauce, stirring to mix it evenly. Step 11. Back to the bench with everything ready to combine. Place as much spaghetti on the plate as you like. Then add the meatballs, then the basil leaves, then sprinkle with grated cheese on top. And you've made healthy, organic, simple to make spaghetti and meatballs, packed with nutrients, and best of all, you know what went into them since you made it yourself. Enjoy, and be seeing you in Mike's Organic Cafe for more recipes from all over the world, made healthy.